In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailchimp with Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Mailchimp to find the Shopify integration and how to start the connection so your store data can sync for email marketing, automations, and reporting. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and head to your account dashboard. Everything we need lives inside Mailchimp, so you don't have to dig through Shopify's menus to begin. We'll start from the main navigation so this works no matter what your workspace looks like. From the left-hand menu in Mailchimp, click Integrations. This is the central hub where Mailchimp lists official apps and native connections. If you don't see the menu right away, expand the sidebar or maximize your window. The Integrations option appears alongside Campaigns, Audience, and Automations. Once you're in the Integrations area, use the search bar at the top and type Shopify. Mailchimp will filter the results as you type, and the official Shopify integration will appear. This is the one that connects your customers, orders, and product data so you can send targeted emails, build segments, and enable features like abandoned cart and product recommendations. Click the Shopify result to open its details page. Here, you'll see an overview of what the integration does, what data syncs, and any requirements. Take a quick moment to skim this page so you know what to expect. When you're ready, click Get Started. That button kicks off the connection flow and will guide you through Mailchimp's prompts. A few helpful tips before you proceed. Make sure you have admin permissions for both your Mailchimp account and your Shopify store, since you'll need to authorize access. If you manage multiple stores, verify the store name you intend to connect so the right data syncs. It can also help to be signed into Shopify in another tab to streamline authorization and temporarily disable strict pop-up blockers if one interrupts the flow. After you initiate the connection, Mailchimp will begin syncing your store data. The first sync can take a little time depending on how many products and customers you have. You can monitor progress back on the integrations page in Mailchimp. When the connection is active, it will show as connected and you'll see options related to your store. That's it. You went to Mailchimp, opened integrations, searched for Shopify, selected the official listing, and clicked Get Started. Once connected, you'll be ready to build segments from real purchase data, trigger automations, and personalize campaigns using your Shopify catalog.